Hello everyone and welcome to this video on understanding AI, generative AI, AI agents and agentic AI. Many times people ask me how these concepts are different from each other. Terms like AI, machine learning, generative AI, LLMs and AI agents are often used interchangeably, which can make things confusing. So I thought of creating this quick but very useful video to explain these concepts in a simple and easy to understand way. In the next few minutes, we will walk through the entire AI landscape, starting from artificial intelligence, then moving into machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, large language models, and finally agentic AI systems with AI agents. The goal is to give you the big picture of how all these technologies connect with each other. So, with that said, let's jump in. At the highest level, we have artificial intelligence. AI is a broad umbrella term. Everything from driverless cars, recommendation engines, fraud detection systems, predictive analytics, chatbots, content generation, all of this falls under AI. But AI is not a single technology. It consists of multiple domains working together behind the scenes. The first major domain inside AI is machine learning. Machine learning focuses on collecting data, cleaning data, training models on data, making predictions based on patterns. ML helps us extract intelligence from raw data. For example, predicting house prices, detecting spam emails, forecasting sales. It works well when the goal is prediction or classification. But as data becomes more complex, images, speech, massive datasets, traditional ML struggles. This is where deep learning comes in. Deep learning uses neural networks and advanced algorithms to handle complex data. It powers image recognition, speech recognition, self-driving cars, natural language understanding. In simple terms, machine learning learns patterns. Deep learning handles complexity at scale. But here's an important question. Can ML or DL generate completely new content? The answer is no. They mostly analyze and predict. This is where generative AI enters the picture. Generative AI is designed to create new content. It can generate text, images, code, audio, video. Instead of just analyzing data, Gen AI produces fresh outputs. And at the heart of generative AI are LLMs, or large language models. They are the engines behind modern Gen AI. Models like GPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, these models are trained on massive amount of refined data. They learn patterns in language and generate new human-like responses. They can write code, answer questions, summarize documents, generate ideas. But here's the key limitation. LLMs can generate content. They do not take actions. For example, an LLM can search for flights or suggest hotels, but it cannot autonomously book a flight for you. It generates output. It does not execute tasks independently. And this is where the next evolution begins. To move from content generation to autonomous action, we need agentic AI frameworks. Agentic AI frameworks are designed to make decisions, plan steps, use external tools, execute multi-step workflows. At the heart of these frameworks are AI agents. An AI agent is not just a chatbot. It is a structured system that includes a defined objective, decision-making logic, access to tools, memory for context, and an LLM for reasoning and response generation. Here's how it works at a high level. The agent receives a goal. It breaks it into steps. It uses tools like APIs, databases, search engines, or cloud services. It stores context in memory. It collects results. Then it uses an LLM to generate a final human-readable output. This is how AI systems move from answering questions to actually getting work done. And that brings us to the end of this quick overview of AI, generative AI, LLMs, AI agents, and agentic AI frameworks. I hope this video helped you understand the bigger picture and how these concepts connect with each other. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful content on AI, cloud technologies, DevOps, and modern software development. Thank you for watching.